Hello, my name is Mmamokotsi Tau. I'm 22 years old. I want to be an actress. Acting is a passion and it's my dream. So please help me to make my dream come true by voting for me. Please. Thank you, MC. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am so honored and overwhelmed for winning for receiving this award as a best student in all tertiary schools in Botswana. Thank you. Um, this award means a lot to me, and it reminds me of my childhood. Uh, my father passed away when my mom was pregnant, so I don't know him. Um, when we were in primary schools, me and my sisters had to leave school so that I can study because my mom wouldn't afford to pay for school fees for all of us. By that time, school fees was paid 25 pula, but she couldn't afford to pay it. My mom, it was so hard for her to raise us. She used to sell moroga so that she can pay our school fees. And every time when I would go to school in the morning, I had nothing to eat. And in school, I wouldn't concentrate because I'll be hungry, just waiting for the tea time to come. And after that's when I'll start to concentrate. Every time after school, the students were so happy that they're going to their home. I wasn't. And I didn't want to go home because I was asking myself what I'm going to eat when I get there. I didn't have a uniform. My class teacher gave me a daughter's old uniform. And my mom used to clean for the teacher so that they can give her money to pay for my school fees. It was so hard. I remember the other day after school when I just went to the back of my classroom. I was just sitting down there. I didn't want to go home, and my teacher came. She asked me why I don't want to go home. I told her that there's nothing to eat. There was nothing to eat at home. It was so hard. And I just hoped if my father would be there, her life would be better than that. But now I think wherever he is so happy that I received this award and a check of 10,000 pula. And I want to thank my teacher and my mom for supporting me in all this time, even though it was so hard. That's why I dedicate this award for my mother. Mom, thank you. I love you so much. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.